Part 4, last problem. It is 1 and 234 thousandths times 25 and 1/10. So it says line up the numbers. So we're going to have 1.234 times 25.1. So 25.1. And we do it like that. Notice that our decimals are not lined up like they were in the other ones because we are not concerned with lining up the decimals. We are only concerned with lining up the numbers. Okay, now it's time to multiply like normal. 1 times the ones, 1 times the tens, 1 times the hundreds, 1 times the thousands. Put a 0 up on the ones place. 10 times the ones, 10 times the tens, 10 times the hundreds, 10 times the thousands. 2 zeros up on the ones place. 100 times the ones, 100 times the tens, 100 times the hundreds, 100 times the thousands. And we only saying that to just for the steps. We know those are not the real places. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Down to 0, regroup the 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Group the 1. 10. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Regroup the 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 zeros. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. Add up all your products to get your final one. We got 4, 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so we know our answer is going to be 309,734. The only thing we need to know is where do our decimal go? Well, put the same amount of numbers behind the decimal. Put the same amount of numbers behind the decimal in the answer as in the problem. So we need to count how many numbers are behind the decimal in the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come down here, we'll put the same amount of numbers behind the decimal in our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now it's time to glue down our examples onto our sheet. So once you do this, you're all done with this assignment. I'm trying to open it. There we go. So I'm just going to take my example 1, flip it over, put a couple of drops of glue on it. I don't know why this glue is so hard coming out. And I'm going to glue it down. That's my example 1. Here's example 2. And when you're done, this may cut off, but when you're done, you should have them all glued down nice and neat. And these are your notes. You have little flip-ups. Whoa, now it's flying out. I don't even need that. It's crazy. extra glue there. And the last one, we're going to grab some of that glue off of there. And example 4. So when you're done, this is what you should have. Alright, so then we're done with our notes. After you take these notes, then you should be on Study Island trying your practice.